Our project is diet management. So in this we are implemented this these things are implemented, and these things are you can able to take on a particular day. It can be calculated day by day and everything. So beans, berries, other fruits, greens, flax seeds, nuts and seeds, herbs and spices, whole grains, beverages, exercises, vitamin B12, vitamin D, and these things are added in this. And suppose on particular day, what are the things he took on that, everything will be calculated in this. On June 3rd, these things he took on the day, and the same thing on June 4th. June 4th and June 5th, like this everything will be calculated, and we can able to see everything here. On June 3rd he took 3 items, on 4th for 5 items, and 5th only 2 items. It can be calculated, the performances everything will be here. If suppose he took day by day performance, and it be daily, monthly, yearly, everything will be calculated. If he took beans, we can able what are the quantity he took, how everything will be shown here, and what are the types you have to mix and things you have to mix in it, everything will be, and types of beans also here, and it can be clearly explained in the videos also at the top right corner of the app on this particular thing. In the same way everything will be shown here. Greens, 1 cup raw and half cup cooked, everything will be shown here clearly and easy to understand everything. You can able to give the exercise time, and at a particular time it will be shown the notification, everything will be, and the vitamin D, vitamin B12, everything will be calculated here based on its performance. According to the monthly you can able to do this everything. Nuts and seeds, in everything will be shown here clearly. On